Okay, the countdown's begun. I will see y'all on the other side. Bye now. They just put electrodes throughout my body. This is gonna be interesting. Hi guys, I just finished my dinner. I'm on oxygen. I got my neck brace on. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's a lot of pain involved, but I was able to eat today even though it hurts when the food's coming down. But I'm overlooking all of this because I know what the end goal is, to live a pain-free life. So I had my surgery yesterday, and the first thing I noticed was a couple of weird things. I was kind of like pulling chunks of blood from here, and this section up here. Now I know that there was a neurologist attending my surgery, and he had put things on my hands and my feet, and I know that they put things across your forehead. So I'm thinking maybe he also put some things up on my head to monitor my neurological function. So what I had noticed was that my hair felt oily here, like I'm still pulling chunks of it. Here it was oily here and here, and I had washed my hair previously, and this is not how it feels. So I can tell the difference between when it's oily, really oily, and when it's clean, and it just feels yucky. Also, it is very difficult to swallow. It just hurts to swallow a lot. And I have this breathing apparatus that I practice every hour, and it makes me cough up a lot. I sound like a dying chicken or something. It's a weird sound, but they say that's normal because they're wanting my lungs to get rid of all that liquid. So yeah, it's a journey, but hey, I'm on the mend, right? The goal is no more pain. Yay! And the hissing that you probably hear is the oxygen. I've been on oxygen this whole time. Here's my neck brace. As you can tell, there's my where they cut through. And what I noticed late in the day yesterday is that I also have a drain, as you can see. And I just can't feel that drain, but that's what they put on me. So I've been through a lot of antibiotics and a lot of painkillers, and hopefully I will be able to go home, if not today, tomorrow. And that's my update.